What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you an overview tutorial of the Housecall Pro home services management platform and its different features. So it's one of the best home services management platforms out there. If you own a service such as plumbing or electrical, investing in such a platform will be a great deal to grow your business. So if you go to their website, that's housecallpro.com, you'll land on their homepage right here. And here they can tell you that you can start a free trial to experience their services that we are going to do right now. And if you scroll down, you can see some videos of people talking about the platform, giving some testimonials, and you see some features here of the platform. So you can schedule appointments with your clients, and you can issue invoices, and you can keep track of your business here. So as you can see, you have scheduling services, dispatching services to follow your clients, and issue professional invoices. Now, some other benefits here, as well as some industries that you might be interested in using the platform if you are already managing, such as HVAC, plumbing, and electrical. And here's some other testimonials, and that's it. So let's take a look at their pricing pretty quickly. So if you click on pricing here, you see that they have essentially three plans: the basics, the essentials, and the max plan. So the basic is only for one user, the essentials is up to 5 users, and for more than that, you'll have to contact them to get information about the max plan. The basic plan starts at $49 per month. Of course, these prices are for annually planned. The essential is for $129 per month. If you pay monthly, it will be a bit higher. Now, if you scroll down, you can see some features of each plan. So you can see the features of the basic plan. The essential plan includes all the basic features plus additional ones. And for the max plan, it includes all the features in the essentials plan as well as additional features. So you can go ahead and see which one is best suited for your business. For me, I'm just going to enter my email here to start my free trial. So I'll get it pretty quickly. Okay, start my free trial. And here I need to enter some information in order to complete setting up my account, my first name, last name, and phone number. And then I'll enter my business details, setting up my company, and a password. Or alternatively, you can continue with Google or Apple. But I'm going to continue with email, so I'm going to enter my details right here. Okay, then my business details. So the primary industry, let's say I'm on the like electrical business. Company size, let's say 2 to 5. Now my company name, let's say How to Simple. For the website here, I'll leave it blank since I don't have a website. However, if you do have a website, you can enter it here. Continue. Now I need to create a password. Okay, start my free trial. And they are unable to complete my request at the moment. Probably there is something wrong with the website. However, as you can see, I did all these steps right, and this is the way to subscribe to or to get the free trial if you want to try their services for yourself. But now, since I'm unable to complete these steps, as you saw, there is an error probably with the website. I'm just gonna walk you through the benefits and features of the platform, but I just showed you how you can subscribe or how you can apply for a free trial or to create your account. So let me go back to the home screen here. Here you get the like tools that you need to drive more sales or to increase your sales, such as managing reviews, creating your pipeline and managing it, view the service plans, the online booking capabilities, and the sales proposal tools. So here also you can get the solutions to complete, or the tools that you need to complete your jobs, from scheduling to dispatching agents or employees, estimating your revenue, visual price book, on my way texts that you can send to your clients, and much more. So let's actually take a look at one of them. So for example, the pipeline capabilities or pipeline tools. And here you can create your pipeline to convert more estimates into jobs by following up with the process here to automate your workflow. Now, if you scroll down here, you see even some like screenshots of how you can set up your pipeline, set up different lists and moving tasks between these lists here with a drag and drop interface. And as you can see, it's in a board view similar to like tools like Trello and other management softwares. You can customize automations that allow you to improve conversions and save time. And here you can drag and drop tasks to different lists or to different stages of your workflow. You can win more jobs and close more deals by streamlining your workflow and all your tasks or all your jobs offers. You can automatically follow up with leads to convert them into jobs and easily track each lead and ensuring that nothing slips and gets past you. Now, you can also create consistent customer experience with tailored request form, communicate effectively and professionally in every interaction with your customers, and easily schedule jobs from the online booking form that you offer your clients. And also some video of the people who are using the platform. And if you go back here, you can view also the industries. So let's say, for example, I'm in the electrical industry. I can see which tools are specifically tailored for my business. I can get electrical contractor software here that can help me stay on track for the jobs that I have, from the online booking by the client all the way to the invoicing after the job is successfully done. So here they promise you that the electrical software empowers you with all the tools that you need to enhance productivity and take more clients and increase your revenue. Now, if I scroll down here, I can see the scheduling software. I can get notifications and dispatch electricians in real time to get to my client in time. I can easily visualize my sales pipeline with the CRM electrical contractors. I can eliminate missed appointments with automatic client reminders here. And I can send on my way text with vehicle GPS tracking in real time. So the client can even get messages that say the technician is on his way and be able to use GPS tracking to track the vehicle of the electrician when he is on his way to the client. And also there is 24/7 customer support. Also the billing and invoicing software that can issue professional looking invoices, convert estimates into jobs and invoices, and automate follow-up reminders on past due invoices for the client. It's also making it easier for a customer to afford your services with instant financing. So you can offer them financing plan, take ACH payment, credit and debit cards, and easily track checks and cash. And you can even get the credit card payments deposited into your bank account in 30 minutes or less. So that's pretty cool. Now, they also offer you a job management software for electrical contractor if you are one. You can create job checklists for each job, completing your work to make sure to hit all the marks and complete the job correctly. You can organize customer and property information, manage employee payroll, bonuses, and health benefits to keep on track with that, and also get real-time reporting on job costs, revenue, profits, and employee performance. Also, you can automatically ask your customers for review in order to get more positive review to grow your business even more. You'll also get the electrical contractor mobile app here. You can download the Housecall Pro app on your phone to manage your business from anywhere and set up recurring jobs, organize your calendar, notify texts, and manage your job details. And you can do so with your phone from anywhere in the world. Also, you get electrician answering service and QuickBooks electrical accounting software integration. Also, you get here some testimonials from people who are also using it. So here you get some resources to learn more about the platform and learn more about how even to start electrical business, how to set up every step of your business here. And you get some resources for each household service industry, such as home cleaning, window cleaning, carpet cleaning, appliance, pest control, and others. And here you can learn more about the platform, about us, the community, templates and calculators, and so much more. So that's pretty much it, a review of the Housecall Pro Home Services Business Management software and its different features.